Hi everyone, this is Mark. So today I'm going to show you a film of how to use our SLA 3D printer. So first, we got to plug in the power cord and our data cord. Also, we got to plug in the data cord to the computer. And turn on the 3D printer. And we also gotta make sure there's enough resin in our liquid pool in order to form the 3D model. Okay, and now before we start our program, we need this USB key in order to start a program. Without the USB key, we cannot start this program. And double click the TMTCTW Planus Uranus terminal. You can see in this program we have two manuals. One is print manual for printing the file, and the other one is move manual. And we also got to ensure our platform to the bottom to make sure that it formed the 3D model. So in here you can see our platform is already at the bottom. And the next step is we recommend you to click next layer. This action is for the platform to ensure that every single slice and cut, there will be a mod release action. Okay, and now we will print and I'll click a couple more times just to let everyone to see it more accurate. Click print manual, and here we click open print file and click the TMTCTW file, open, and click print. So in here now you can see the program is checking the print file. So once the file is done, it will start the action. In here you can already see the printer is already beginning to start the operation. You can see on the liquid pool, the laser is beginning to form the 3D model. And you see every slice you cut right here, there will be a mod release after the operation is done. So if you have any question, please visit www.zhilei zl.rp.com. Thank you very much.